Are you looking to protect your content from being easily copied or stolen on your WordPress website? One effective way is by disabling the right-click function. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Search the plugin name, right-click. Install now the plugins named Disabled Source, Disabled Right-Click, and Content Protection. Click on the active plugin. Turn on Disable Content Copy. Turn on Disable Right-Click. Click on the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully disabled it, the right-click function on your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials.